Well, hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into this. So basically you have to keep in mind that the inviting of new friends feature is only available for installs coming from iOS and Android. So these are the only two platforms that it works on. So basically, if it still doesn't work, all you have to do is update the application in your App Store or your Google Play Store. Just search up Monopoly Go. And then if it's not updated, I want you to update it to the latest version. Since there has been errors and bugs that has been going on lately, so they will actually compensate you 200 dices for this wrong error thing that has been going on lately in Monopoly Go. So once you have done that and it's still not working, the next thing you want to do is actually just delete Monopoly Go. So just delete the application, and then there you go. Then install it again, and then let's try it. Just try it again until it works. So basically, those are just the remedies on how to fix it and how to fix the Monopoly Go invite friends which are not working. So if you like this video, I hope to see you next time and see you again.